Today, I discovered the most game-changing hack I've come across so far when it comes to ChatGPT. I feel like I've been so unproductive today because I've been so productive. I don't even know if that makes any sense, but I've been playing with this extension all day long. Talked to my husband about it. He has his own business just like I do. I talked to a couple of my clients about it, and I just kind of haven't shut up about it. I really feel like I want to scream it from the mountaintops, and I can't really think of a better place to do it than here. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. GPT.ai, and it's going to take me to GPT for Google Sheets. So I'm going to try it out and I'm going to install it, right? Continue. And it is that easy. So I'm going to allow the extension to pop in. So I'm going to go to Sheets. And I'm going to create a blank sheet. I'm going to go to extensions to enable Sheet GPT. And now it's enabled. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a prompt in here. So it starts with equal GPT and then open parentheses and a quote. Give me 5 quotes about female empowerment. Close parentheses with a closed quote, load it, and boom. It is auto-populating into Google Sheets.